Imagine you're exploring the moon and your rover breaks down and you've got to walk all the way back to base. Would your body be strong enough? I'm ESA astronaut John McFall, and today we're training like astronauts to boost our endurance. That means how long can your body keep going for? You'll need a good stretch of space to run, a 400-meter track, path or loop, good shoes, water, and don't forget to stretch first to warm your muscles up. Let's start with a 400-meter jog, just one lap. Ready? Go! Now, build it up lap by lap until you reach 1,600 meters. That's 1 mile. Time yourself and write down the results. How do you feel? Are you tired? Strong? Fast? If you're just starting out, walk some, jog some. You'll get stronger every time. Track your progress each week. You'll see your speed and stamina improve. Now, astronauts need strong hearts and muscles if they wish to survive long treks on the moon or Mars. Endurance keeps you moving when things get tough. Keep at it, space explorers. You never know when you might need to trek across the moon.